Hi everybody, today I'm going to be looking at Febo. Let's get into it. So Febo is a solar engraver, and what it does is it focuses a beam of light that comes from the sun, and because it's so focused, it lets you draw on different materials like wood, cork, leather, natural materials in general. There's a ton of examples of how you can use Febo. For example, we in the office made a box or a nice little coaster, or even a pencil holder. I'll show some examples on the screen, like for example this, and all of these. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. First of all, we have a very nice box, and it has a ton of little infographics on it to help you understand what Febo is better. Then, inside you have a nice little Febo pouch. The Febo itself is made with really nice material. And then the sunglasses, which are a fit-all pair. Very cool. So getting into the Febo itself, it's made out of a really nice wood. I mean, you can really feel the grain, and this is 100% made in Italy. It's super nice. I love the color. There's, I think, 4 different other colors. This one is actually my favorite. I love blue. So moving on next, we have the 36 stencil pack. You can buy this as an extra item with Febo. It has 5 different styles of stencils, along with 36 of those different styles, which is super nice because if you're bad at drawing like I am, then it really gives you a helping hand. So for example, we have animals, different types of patterns for if you want to add borders or customize your personal belongings. Different types of icons as well. This is really good for naming a vegetable in a garden. Different letters. This is super cool for personalizing objects, making people know that it's yours and making it permanent as well. And also mandalas for if you just want to have a really nice pattern on one of your objects. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to draw with Febo using stencils. I'm just going to write my name really quickly and get into them. What the graphite does is it actually helps conduct the energy from the sun, so it's super useful and helps you engrave faster. So now that I'm finished with my drawing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you guys real quick. That's how it came out. Super easy, super fast. Took me probably 10 seconds to draw this. Get ready to engrave, so let's go outside, get your Febo, get your sunglasses, go. Step 1. Start by wearing the goggles to protect your eyes from the sun. Step 2. Start engraving with your Febo. The time it takes to start engraving is super fast, so be careful. Since the Febo is calibrated perfectly at the right distance, it will start engraving from the second that you put it down. Its unique design allows you to easily trace your sketch, turning it into a permanent artwork. This makes the Febo super comfortable to use. It's super important that you keep the Febo at a 90-degree angle from the sun. Otherwise, the focal point of the Febo won't be perfectly concentrated, meaning that it's going to be more difficult to engrave. So make sure that your lens is pointed directly towards the sun. Considering that the Febo needs to be pointed at the sun and it's perfectly calibrated, all you need to do is point your drawing towards the sun as well, and then get engraving. Whenever you're done with your project, you can easily store your Febo in the provided bag along with your goggles. So, there we have it. I did a super simple design. As you can see, it only took me a few minutes to do, but if you guys want, you can always do something really, really complex at home, and if you do, please make sure to send that to us. We love to see all of your creations. And lastly, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and go check us out on our other platforms. We would really appreciate it. Other than that, have a super nice day. Thanks for watching.